So I finally brought a second tripod for the YouTube videos. I've been on a bit of a shopping spree this last week or so, and I bought myself some bits and pieces off Amazon. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you that has subscribed to the channel. As of this video, we've now hit 4,000 subscribers, which is fantastic. And I couldn't be doing this without the support of you guys. So you lot out there, you're all the subscribers, the ones that follow me, thank you. And because we're up to 4,000 subscribers, that means the view count has gone up and I've been remonetized. So from the last couple of weeks, you probably noticed some adverts don't appear on the channel. I got demonetized in February when YouTube changed the goalposts. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That has now been met and I've been remonetized, which is fantastic. It's great news for the channel. The first thing I'm going to do here is just show you what the extra bits I bought are. I've got a Manfrotto mini tripod and a quick release adapter kit for it. What I like about my Manfrottos is I like the quick release system that Manfrotto does. I'm not fussed about what tripod I use, but I do like the quick release system. So I've got the adapter that will go onto there. And I'm going to be using this to replace my Joby Gorillapod because I just can't get on with that thing. When you want to put it on a tabletop and get the camera level, it is very hard to do. The back leg is very weak, so the camera keeps trying to fall over. So far I've managed to catch it the 3 times it's done it. But I can't have the risk of it falling over with my A/D on it. And I'm pretty sure, as most of you know, that is how Casey Neistat has lost a couple of A/Ds, is by this Gorillapod crumbling under the weight of the camera. So I'm getting rid of that one and I'm going to go with a solid mini tripod for the purpose of vlogging. Next we have an extra memory card, which means I need more batteries so that I can do more video when I'm out and about. That's a simple case of I keep running out of batteries and memory, so I bought some more memory. But let's go on to the more important thing, and that's this one here. So this is a Nuria carbon fibre 63-inch tripod, and the reason I bought it is if you've been watching regularly on this channel, you'll know I've been suffering from a lack of a second tripod because the A/D, which is right there, is using my main tripod. I've been struggling for a couple of weeks on what tripod to get because I want the quick release system from Manfrotto. And you can either buy the legs and the bore head separately, but I already had a separate bore head with the Manfrotto system, so I only needed the legs. What I did is I went for the Nuria carbon fibre 63-inch tripod. This is the black and red version of it. What I've done is I've taken off the Nuria bore head, which I'm not too keen on, and then I put on the Manfrotto bore head. Now this isn't a brand thing, it's nothing to do with whether I like the Nuria or not. It's just that I like the quick release system. So now combine that with my old tripod and the mini tripod with the quick release plate. All 3 of my tripods now have a quick release system that is compatible with all of my cameras, which is an absolute fantastic joy for me because it means I can just take my camera off the mini tripod, which is probably the desktop tripod, and put it straight onto my large tripod. So when I'm filming and I'm out and about, it's very quick just to swap tripods without having to take off that plate underneath and put a different tripod onto the camera. I'll be doing a full review of this tripod, so keep an eye out for that video that will be coming soon. So now I have a separate tripod, I can now get on with some videos I've got planned. And there's 15 videos I actually have planned that involve me using a tripod for macro photography. They've been getting bumped down the list because I'm not having a tripod, but now I've got the second tripod, I'm able to put out this content. I'm going to be working on that over the next couple of months, give you out this content to show you some different types of shots and different ways I can set things up now that I've got a tripod. One last thing about having a second tripod is I can now go outside and do macro photography out in the field. Now I have done it before, like when I went camping, but the footage was so shaky because of hand-holding the camera that it just wasn't possible to really get a good quality video out of it. But now we've got the second tripod, I can get some good quality footage and I'll be able to do some photography out in the field, and I'm going to take you guys with me to see that. As always, there are links below in the description to the items that I bought. They are affiliate links for Amazon. They throw a little bit of a kickback towards the channel, which helps the channel help it grow. Now getting back to the reason why I've done this video, it's a little bit of an unboxing video. I like to keep you guys up to date on what equipment I use. And the reason I got a second tripod is so we can photograph this little fella. This is a crested gecko, and in the next video we are going to be photographing this fellow, and we're going to need that second tripod in order to photograph him so we can set up the scene. So he's going to get photographed next, so I look forward for that video to come out, possibly Thursday I believe it'll be now. That's it from this video. It's just a quick update. On the next video we are going to be photographing that gecko, and what I want to do is just thank you for watching this video. Thank you if you've subscribed. If you haven't, get subscribing. We're going to be doing some great content coming up. My name is Stuart Wood, and as always, I'll see you on the next video, guys.